Hi, let's make today this Choco-Vanilla ice cream and mango ice cream. Both are yummy and delicious and very creamy and much better from store-bought. So let's begin. Do check the description box for the detailed recipe. For this recipe, I'll be taking 1 cup of full fat milk which is boiled and cold. Add 2 tablespoons of sugar, 2 tablespoons milk powder, 1 tablespoon corn flour, half a cup condensed milk, that is around 110 grams. My cup measurements are 200 ml cup size. We'll be keeping this later on the fire, so before that we stir it well and break all those lumps. Now we have got a very smooth mixture, so now let's place it on the gas. I'll be stirring this mixture continuously and cook it for around 3 to 4 minutes. I have kept the flame on medium and keep stirring it till it thickens up a bit. Just 3 or 4 minutes is enough. This will make the ice cream very smooth and silky, and there will be no ice particles later in the ice cream. It's been about 4 minutes now and the mixture is thickened. I will switch off the flame and let it cool completely at room temperature. Next, we'll need to whip up 1.5 cup of this non-dairy whipping cream. You can use any brand of whipping cream you have. Only make sure that the whipping cream is chill and in a liquid state. I am adding 1 cup of whipping cream and another half cup. So a total of 1.5 cup of whipping cream. This whipped cream was in the freezer. The previous night I had moved it to the fridge, and today morning it is nice and in a liquid state and yet very chilled. So now let's start whipping it. Now whip the cream on high speed for about 3 to 4 minutes is enough till you get a soft peak. For this ice cream, we do not require a stiff peak. The cream is already beginning to thicken up, and now I'll stop, and this is what a soft peak looks like. You can see the tip of it bending. Also, when you use a spatula, it falls off easily. Now once this is done, the milk mixture which we had prepared earlier is come to room temperature and is cool. So now I'll be adding it to the whipped cream and mixing it well. I'll just mix in with the spatula for a few seconds, and then I'll use the beater and whip it for a few more seconds. Whip again on high speed for just a few seconds. That's it. And now our ice cream base is all ready. You can use this to create many more flavors of your choice. By just adding even a little vanilla essence in this, your basic vanilla ice cream will be ready. Since I'm making 3 flavors today, that is chocolate, vanilla and mango, I'll be dividing it into 3 portions. The first portion is just 1 part, then the second portion will be 2 parts, and in the third bowl I'll be keeping 3 parts. The 3 parts one, I'll be using it for the mango flavor. So that is 1 part, 2 part and 3 parts. So now let's start flavoring them. To make Choco-Vanilla ice cream, to the single portion I'll be adding half a teaspoon of vanilla essence and mixing it well. If you use a good brand of vanilla essence, this simple ice cream too is really delicious, and I love this the best from all. Next, to make the chocolate ice cream, to the second portion I'll be adding 1 tablespoon of cocoa powder, and I'll be whipping it for a few seconds till both are mixed well. "10 to 15 seconds is more than enough, and just gather it all together. You can also add any chocolate syrup if you have, or melted chocolate also in place of cocoa powder. Now you can add 1 to 2 tablespoons of choco chips. This is optional and can be skipped too. To set the ice cream, I'll be using this plastic container. Keep adding the chocolate ice cream and also in between the white vanilla ice cream. In this way, you will get the flavor of both the ice creams together. These ice creams are very delicious and tasty and yummy and creamy. Do try it out, and I'm sure you will love the taste of it. And you do not get any ice particles even after the ice cream is set. The best part of this ice cream is you do not have to re-whip it again after some time, nor add any stabilizing agent like CMC or custard powder to it. This summer, do try it out, and I'm sure you'll be making it again and again. And I've been alternating the chocolate ice cream with the vanilla ice cream. And now I'll be adding the rest of the chocolate ice cream and smoothing up the top of it. Now smoothen up the top and tap it for a few times. And now I'll be adding some choco chips on top just for presentation. Always use an airtight box for setting the ice cream. And now I'll be placing the lid over it and keeping this in the freezer for at least minimum 8 to 10 hours. In the freezer for 8 to 10 hours. And now to make the mango flavor, to the third portion I'll be using around 4 tablespoons of mango crush. I'm using Mala's mango crush, and I'll be adding it to the ice cream base and mixing it well. If you do not have mango crush, you can also use mango emulsion that will add color and taste to this ice cream. And now I'm adding a drop of orange food color. You can also add any mango filling or even mango puree from fresh mangoes. Now I'm adding freshly cut mango pieces, which will give a nice bite to the ice cream. I'm adding one more drop of orange color to make it look even more brighter. This mango ice cream tastes really very good. You can add mango puree too to make it even more tastier. Now this is mixed well. I'll be filling this airtight container with this mango ice cream. adding few more mango pieces on top. This is optional. A delicious mango ice cream is all ready and set to go into the freezer. Close it with a good lid and keep it in the freezer for at least 8 to 10 hours to set firm. Both the ice creams are set well, and now let's scoop it out and plate it. And now I'll be using this deep spoon to scoop out the ice cream. The texture of this ice cream is so creamy and good. Now let's scoop out the chocolate ice cream as well. This 2-in-1 Choco-Vanilla ice cream not only looks beautiful but also tastes really very delicious. I make this every summer, and once you are going to try it, you too will stop buying ice cream from the shops. Do give it a try, and I'm sure you'll be very happy you tried it. Thanks for watching, and I hope you all liked this video. And if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe, like, share and comment. Until we meet again in the next video. Take care. Bye-bye.